The future just got turned upside down.
Hey guys, Andrew Fox here, and we are back with something truly special. Now, OpenAI and ChatGPT have taken the internet by storm, acquiring over 100 million users in less than 6 months. And while businesses have been using AI for things like finance, travel, and content generation, there's a much bigger opportunity waiting for you. There is the biggest opportunity right now sitting under your very noses that can help turn regular people into super affiliates in record time. Let me introduce Super Affiliate AI. It just changed the affiliate game forever.
While everyone has been selling prompts to load into ChatGPT, that's pretty good. But that's old news, and we are so far ahead of the game.
With our new auto prompt technology, we have all the prompts already preloaded into the software in hundreds of industries, so it does all the hard work for you.
Imagine an AI software that literally went in real time and helped you pull top selling affiliate products from the top online marketplaces. Next, in just a few clicks of the mouse, selecting from the drop down boxes, our auto prompt technology built a whole super affiliate campaign in a matter of seconds. Imagine never having to pay for Facebook ads ever again. No more 48 hours turnaround times and rush ad fees. Imagine never having to wait on landing page copy because it was instantly built for you. Imagine not having to create email follow-up series because it was created in a few clicks.
You would literally save thousands of dollars and your content would be ready in a matter of minutes, not days or even weeks waiting for some agency. And the best part, everything is fully customizable. This is truly the unfair advantage that you've been waiting for. Want to target male or female? Yes, you can do both.
Fancy shorter, snappier email sequences or longer details ones? You can do it. Want to change the tone of your ads and emails from comical to more serious?
Yep, Super Affiliate AI does that as well.
And the best part, our Super Affiliate AI engine will always create the most up-to-date content.